So I'll be depositing the sum of 400,000 into my MiniPay account, and I'm also going to use this opportunity to answer several questions that most of you are sending to my inbox asking how can I deposit to my MiniPay platform, or I'm finding it difficult to deposit into my MiniPay account. So if this is the video you would want to watch, I recommend you do something for me. Go ahead and click the like button of this video in exchange of the value you're about to get in today's video. And if you're here to join this beautiful family, please use the opportunity to click that subscription button. Yes, smash the subscription button, and please don't forget to turn on the bell notification beside the subscription button. What the bell notification does is to always notify you anytime we upload informative video just like this one you are watching. So I believe you've clicked the like button, and I believe you've joined the family by clicking that subscription button. Let's jump straight into the video. So I'm going to take you step by step on how I'm going to deposit the sum of 400,000 naira into my MiniPay balance. So if you're finding it difficult to deposit in your MiniPay platform, then there's possibility you are making one or two mistakes, and I'm using this video to correct that mistake that you might be making or that is stopping you from depositing into your MiniPay account. So click the like button and let's jump straight into the video. So once you open up your MiniPay platform, this is or MiniPay account, this is the interface you are going to see. Now, in case this is the first time you are coming across MiniPay, how to get started is go to your Google Play Store, your App Store, search for MiniPay, get it downloaded, go through the registration process. Is very simple to get done, and of course you are going to get your account done. But you can decide to use the link I'll be leaving in my video description as well as the comment section. Click on it, it will definitely take you to MiniPay platform, and then you proceed with your registration. Now this is for those that must have registered on MiniPay platform and want to fund their MiniPay account. So once you log into your account, this is the interface you are going to see. What I want you to do, as you can see, we have around $37.93, right? Yeah, so let's see how much this is when it turn it to our local currency. Now we have around 52,315 naira. Now let's switch it over to USD and proceed with the deposit. Let's go, guys. So if you have gotten to this point, go ahead and click the like button in appreciation of the value you are getting in today's video. Join this family by clicking on that subscription button. Just do it now, okay? Let's proceed, guys. So what we're going to do is to click over here. Let's click over here that says deposit. Let's go, guys. So once you click on deposit, this is the interface you are going to see. The next thing you are going to do is to click over here that says NGN. There's a whole lot of ways you can be able to deposit, right? You can use through NGN. NGN means you want to deposit from your local bank account, your normal regular local bank account. Okay, that's this first option. Okay, by transferring from there to this MiniPay platform, you can choose to use a wallet or exchange. When it comes to wallet or exchange, it means that you want to fund your MiniPay account using KuCoin, Binance, Trust Wallet, Bybit, okay, to transfer USDT to your MiniPay account. Yeah, so you can use other crypto platform. And another way is using a virtual bank account, because in MiniPay you can actually create foreign accounts like pounds and dollar accounts. So if you have any person, friend, relative, family outside Nigeria that would want to send money to you, you can as well give them or furnish them with your MiniPay pounds or dollars account, foreign account, and once they transfer money to that, you will get it down to your MiniPay platform, and from MiniPay account you can send it down to your local bank account seamlessly. But the method we are going to be using in today's video to fund our MiniPay account is this NGN. So let's click on NGN and proceed. So once you click on NGN, this is the interface you're going to see. So inside this box, they're asking us to type in the amount we want to fund, and just like I said from the beginning of this video, we are going to be funding the sum of 400,000. So inside this box, I'm going to be typing 400,000 naira. Let's go, guys. So I've typed in the 400,000, as you can see inside this box. The next thing I'm going to do is to click over here that says continue, so we can know how much this 400,000 is going to get for us when it comes to USDT. If I've got to this point, click the like button and let's proceed. So for 400,000 that we've typed, this is how much USDT that we are going to be receiving. So we are going to be getting the sum of $283 $.20. Okay, so if this is okay for us, what we're going to do next is to click over here that says continue, right? So let's click on continue, guys. So I've clicked on continue, and it is also going to show us like analysis. This is the amount we want to be depositing, and for the 400,000 naira that we want to deposit, we'll be getting $283. Now a dollar is cost around 1,412 naira 42 kobo as at the time I'm making this video. So if this is okay for us, let's proceed and click over here that says buy. Okay, so let's go, guys. So I've clicked on buy. The next thing we are going to do is to type in our email address. Now there are a whole lot of merchants that you can use to fund or even withdraw money out of your MiniPay platform. So any merchant that you want to make use of, you do a kind of little registration. All of the merchants are in the MiniPay. So the one that I'm making use of to deposit, or the one that MiniPay recommended. Now one thing you need to know is that whether you want to withdraw money or you want to deposit money, MiniPay will first and foremost recommend, they will use their hand and recommend a particular merchant that is going to help you to facilitate that withdrawal or deposit that you want to do. So the one they selected for me is partner. So all these merchants, if you want to make any of them, you are going to click and do just little registration. Okay, it's not hard to do, just very simple. So they're asking me to type in my email address, so I'm going to type in the email address I used in creating this account. Right, that is you can use johnob@gmail.com to create this account, and when you are trying to deposit, you will now use Ifeanyi or Michael Obi or Adetinji@gmail. You can use another different email address. Okay, so it's advisable to make use of that same email address you use in creating your account, then type it inside here. So once you type it in, the next thing you are going to do is to click here that says continue. Now some persons are saying that they are finding it difficult to deposit into their MiniPay platform, and I'm thinking that maybe this thing that I'm going to say now will be the reason why you are finding it difficult. Once you type in your email address and click on continue, they are going to send a code to your email address, and you might go to your email and you'll be looking or searching for that code that they sent, and you are not going to see it. What you are going to do is to go to your spam message. Yes, go to spam. It is not going to be in your primary messages. Just go to spam, click on spam, and you are definitely going to see that code there. So maybe if this is what is stopping you from depositing. So if you type in your email address, click on continue. If you log into your email, go to your spam. Okay, so let's type in my email address and click on continue. So I've typed in my email address and I've clicked on continue, and I'm in my email right now, and as you can see, this is under spam, right? Yeah, this is under spam. As you can see, is under spam, and this is the code that is sent to me. So I'm going to copy it and move over to the platform and paste the code so we can proceed with the deposit. If I've gotten to this point, go ahead, click the like button. If you're yet to subscribe to the channel, do well and click on that subscription button. Let's proceed, guys. So the next thing that I'm going to, after typing in the code that is sent to me, I am going to type in my email, my address, yes, my location. Now the reason why they are doing this is to make sure that it is a real human being that is making use of this account, or this account belongs to real human being. I don't know how I'm going to put it, but they're just doing it to make sure it's not a fraudulent account. The account is not created for fraudulent activities, so they're just taking precautions. So it's for you to know how legit this platform is. So go ahead and type in your address, select your state here, your local government, and proceed to click on continue. So let me just quickly do that and let's proceed to the next one. So I'm done with that. So the next thing I'm going to do is to click over here that says confirm and pay. This is just like a simple analysis showing us how much we wanted to deposit, which is 400,000, showing us how much the 400,000 is going to give us in USDT, which is 283 USDT. The transaction fee is free, and they are showing you how much $1 is currently in this platform, which is 1,412 naira 42 kobo. If this is okay for you, go ahead and click on confirm and pay. So let's click on confirm and pay. So I've clicked on confirm and pay, and they have given me the account details that I'll be transferring to. Okay, so they said this 400,000 that you want to transfer, the name of the bank you'll be transferring it to is Paystack Titan. Okay, and this over here is the account number that you need to be sending the money to. So when it comes to the description of your transaction, this is what they want you to copy and paste in your description or your remark or your, what's it called again, I can't remember, depending on what your bank app is saying. So this is simply telling you that if you want to transfer or deposit, make sure you are using bank app. Don't go and use USSD code, or don't go and deposit using ATM machine, or don't go and tell one POS person to please help me and send money to this account. Any money you are sending into this MiniPay account, make sure the name or in that account that you're sending that money from tallies with that your MiniPay account. Your name cannot be Adetunji Emmanuel, right? And you are sending money from Chukwemeka Obinna account. They are going to flag it that is fraud already. Okay, so make sure if you're funding your account, make sure that bank that money is coming out from is your own bank, and it tallies with the name you used in creating your MiniPay account. As simple as that. So let's proceed to my bank so I can practically show you how to do that. So I've logged into my account, and over here I've typed in how much I want to be sending, which is 400,000. Okay, and what I'm going to do next is, this is what I have to type or paste, because I just copied it from MiniPay. Just paste it on that remark. Your own bank app might be showing you description, some might be showing you, I don't know, but you know what I'm saying. So type in that and proceed to click over here that says confirm. So let me proceed to send the money. So I've sent the money, and let me just quickly take a screenshot of this transaction. You don't necessarily need to take the screenshot, but just take it in case of anything. Okay, so I just took the screenshot. So what I'm going to do is to move over back again to the MiniPay platform, and let's finalize the deposit. So I've gone back to MiniPay platform, and it said that transaction was successful. Okay, so let's go back to our main dashboard and see if the money reflects on our dashboard. If I've gotten to this point, click the like button, subscribe to this channel if you're yet to do that. Let's proceed, guys. So boom, the money just arrived, and what we're having on our dashboard is $321.13, and the money took 40 seconds to hit our dashboard. So let's check how much this $321 is when it comes to our local currency. So for $321, we're having 442,946 naira. So this is how you can simply deposit money into your MiniPay account as smooth as possible. It doesn't take anything to do that. Okay, so let's switch over to USDT and call it a day. So we'll switch over to USDT, and guys, this is how you can seamlessly deposit into your MiniPay plan. If you have any question, if you have anything confusing you, the comment section should be your friend. Okay, I will always be there reading your comments, answering your questions, right? Yes, just go ahead and ask any question or anything confusing you. Make that comment section your friend, and I will be there to respond to whatever you're typing there. Now I figured out how you can be able to make around 20 to 23% on your investment. You might be making investment, and your investment is paying maybe 12% or so, right? Which is poor, if I must say, right? But I figured out how you can earn up to 20 to 23%. So that will be a video I'll be linking towards the end of this video, so you can click on that and to know exactly how you can tap into earning up to 20 to 23%. How cool is that? So this is how you can deposit in MiniPay platform. Cheers, guys. Hey there, I'm glad you stick to the end of this video, and I really appreciate it. Now, I made a video showing you how you can earn up to 20 to 23% in your investment. So if you have been investing and your investment is giving you, let's say 12, 13, 14 or 15 or even 16% per annum, then I must tell you that you are doing it the wrong way, right? Now I figured out the best way you can actually invest your money, and you are going to get up to 20 to 23%. 20 to 23%. How cool is that? So if this is what you would want to watch, I recommend you click the video you are seeing on the screen right now. Yes, go ahead and click on this video, and I will definitely see you on the other side. Keep winning, guys. Yes, keep winning, and don't forget that Leo is always rooting for you. And until when I'm going to see you on this video, bye, comrade.